Pam, pam, pam. Good day, guys. Good day. Welcome to Domino the Techie and GH Domino's live YouTube channel. I'm going to do something new today. Today, I'm going to unbox this microphone earpiece lavalier, or how do you call it? Some will say just wireless microphone lavalier. What is it and what is the use? For now, let me remove this one. Let me remove this on it. Oh, no, no, no. Okay. So it's been removed. I'm removing it for you to see it clearly. Basically, this is for content creators. Or maybe if you are hosting something or you just normally go out and you like taking videos with your phone or your camera or whatever for yourself, you can make use of it. You get it? Or if you are hosting a program, you can make use of it. This one. This. So, how do we use it? It's very simple. Okay, what is it? It is wireless earpiece. Sorry, wireless microphone. Wireless microphone. So, this is the box. I've removed it. This comes with it. There's some manual this thing. But then this is the goods. This is the product. Yes, this is the product, as you can see. So what do we use for? It's like microphone. So it is also a microphone. That's the name. Okay. Normally, it helps to enhance or broaden the bass or the bass of the what speaker or whatever the person is speaking. Sometimes I may be recording videos, but then the camera will be not closer to me, maybe somewhere 6, 8, 9 meters away from me. But then, how will you be able to hear my voice and get it clearly? Due to this lavalier, you get it. I'll be able to speak. You hear me clearly as if I'm closer to you, and the voice will be as clear as you will be with me closer and we are talking. This is it. Many popular YouTubers use them, like Mr. Who's the Boss. You know him, the number one crypto reviewer. Also, Gizmo China or Giz China. All of them use it. Many influential Ghanaian social media people, like, you want me to give you a shout out? No, but I'll give a shout out. Okay, yes. So let me remove my earpiece first. So this one just help to, give clarity to your voice when you are speaking or when you are speaking or when you speak, especially during interviews, during video recordings and stuff. You get it. But how do we use it? This is what I'm going to teach you. Yes, I'm going to teach you how you use it. First, this one. Check it well. This one. This one, normally we use it to connect to the machine or the phone. If you're using a phone, you connect to your charging system side. This one, you see it, this one, yes, this one. This one, we just hang it around ourselves somewhere here, or even at the back if you don't want people to see. Yes, it will pick your voice clearly. So let me test it for you to see. I'll put this one here, you see. Then I'll connect this one to the mouthpiece of the recorder. I'm coming. click on it, initially it will show red, then it will change to green. Let me show you something and show it again. Can you see? Change from red to green. So now it is connected. So if you are listening right now, you can see the voice has been more clear. The voice now is more clearer than when I started this video. So this is the wireless microphone lavalier for calls and other stuff. It enhances your speaker. Even you can, when you are doing call, when you are doing online conferencing, you can use it. Calls or online conferencing, you can use it. You get it. Or for video recordings and stuff, you can use it. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for more tech content. For more tech content. For more tech content. Yes, please remember to share it with your friends as well. God bless you.